Not that. It's take that road right there and go down the.
What? So you gonna turn right?
That's not it, huh? You go down to their cabin. I'm pretty sure that's just their driveway. You can kind of see it if you look close enough. Yeah, it's on down there. That's where they did their little wood chopping.
That's interesting.
What?
I don't know what they're doing there.
It's it's for wood chopping. Wood. You know the little machine?
Hey, Thorn.
Jim had.
Can you reach out and see a Playmate's cooler in the back?
For the cooler?
Yeah.
I got it.
Can you get it out safely without dropping everything else?
To get what?
A couple drinks out of it.
I think there's only one left.
Oh, I got it.
You and I will share lemonade.
No, I just finished my Pepsi. I'm good.
Here, Thorn,
I had that
this.
Pepsi I packed.
This is his drone.
But thank you.
I cannot do it. I cannot do it.
There's only one
Oops.
in there.
Can you have it, please?
What are you doing?
Thank you. Now put the Playmate cooler back. I'm messing with the kid.
Hmm?
I'll let you try this. See,
No.
look, my foot's on the gas, and for low, it's so much torque you just let out the clutch, and it'll crawl on its own. Thorn, honest God, I'd let you try this too, but it's an act of Congress get you in and out of there. And it depends so you put the doors on the top off.
Yeah, there's no signal really.
I took Killian for a ride with the doors off. He liked it.
Yeah?
Remember when we went off-roading on the little gravel area?
Yeah.
Did you look back and see that big old truck that was flying down?
Yeah, because he thought, somebody else doing it, he should do it too. It's got to be city property or state property or city property.
I remember
So
I
trespassing.
I saw it going on Stone Drive, but I never saw him turn into it.
This is so fun.
Yeah.
Why are you holding on to Bill's handle? You know why that's there? So he
For
can
Bill.
pull. He's so old, he has to have that to get out of the Jeep.
Well, it's nice for me to hold on to it.
Kids okay?
Yeah.
Oh, apparently I picked up signal again. That's crazy.
Better check Facebook.
I know. Something might have happened.
God, you're worse than Cameron.
Bruh.
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 Oh, speaking of.
Food, I can't really see it.
Yeah, it says food.
That's all up to you. You do what you want to if you want to. Oh, there ain't gonna be no Chinese, I can tell you that. You want to be left for a second? Thank you. Yeah, look, you drove a Jeep. Thank you. You get too far to the left though.
Well, you probably shouldn't ask me to hold the wheel.
I'm sorry.
For what?
We should get the state front paving is better, shouldn't we?
No, you are really enjoying this.
You're not? You laughed a couple times it bounced you around.
Is that like the foam things?
Huh?
Like those boards that are not really boards. Are those the foam ones?
Yeah, I think they are.
Yeah. It looks like nobody ever lives there. I mean, it looks nice, but it looks like nobody lives there.
Well, looking at the yard, it could be you.
It's true. Apparently they don't have people. They need to get some people.
You've got Cameron.
With a push mower? Now the front would be fine, but I don't want him doing the backyard with a push mower.
Came up here one time with Ronnie and we drove by. There was people up there.
You did by me, you doing your yard's push mower.
Oh, you want to come on my yard?
And that thing gave me a heart attack.
Honey, I didn't even think about asking you to come mow the yard for me.
That should be a third year. That'd make it softer.
You should what?
I'm not idling, I'm giving it gas. That's why it feels like it's lurching a little bit. Because I don't want it getting a little starved. And the valve's rattling. Here though, 4 low, first gear.
See that? Whatever that tree is. Oh, it's a not an azalea, right? An orange one. What is that?
Honeysuckle.
No, it's not honeysuckle.
No, I got to think I might put some honeysuckle bushes around my house though.
Walmart every once in a while has red ones, and they're beautiful. Red honeysuckle, so pretty. And hummingbirds really, really love it too because it's brightly colored. That right there. And so I could get lots of pictures of that. Pretty. That's very going.
It's honeysuckle.
It's not. Okay, that's honeysuckle. That was no, that's not honeysuckle.
I'll tell you, let me look if you can grab a couple of these.
No, I'm fine.
Honey, I got
No.
no brakes. Brakes are gone.
You are such an asshole.
Alright,
No.
I'm getting it. Somebody behind us?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Car or what?
Where are we going?
Oh, they can go around.
Oh, I wish I could get out and pet the dog.
What? Oh,
There's
a
a
dog?
dog moving.
Oh. We'll never get him moving.
I'm film here, son. Okay. I'm not trespassing or something like that. That's the first time I've been up here in 2 years. I got my wife and the kids with me.
Kids. You like that? The kids.
I really don't care.
Okay. Right before it goes real steep. Okay. Yeah, okay. If I had the phone gives me an ear tag like that. Yeah, it does, doesn't it? I know that's 23rd. Here's that film tower. I like it all. Yeah. Well, good seeing you.
Thank you.
Guys, you know who that is?
Can't remember.
Me
Sound-
either.
He sounded familiar.
But
Watch out, dogs out there.
yeah, it's a good dog. I had a dog once. Did you hear what I said?
I heard you. I was ignoring it. That's one happy dog, though.
Yeah. I'm just trying to tell him I want to get out of here. See, it's honeysuckle.
It's not honeysuckle, sweetie.
Do kids ever eat honeysuckle?
No.
Do you know that you can do that?
Yeah.
Do you know it tastes like pizza?
Don, there's no way you really bought that. What do you mean?
Well, in order to get Brian to eat it, somebody probably did have to lie to him and tell him that.
Nope.
Yeah.
Too cold?
Little. Just a little.
It's 60. Can we get you a sweater?
Nope.
Do you like your flowers?
I do. That was very sweet.
Well-
I took pictures already.
Well, you can take it off the mountain. There's an app on the iPhone you can use to identify what it is. Although I don't need an app because I know it's honeysuckle.
It's not, baby. This is a bush. Honeysuckle is not a bush.
What? Here's a hill you hated.
I love you.
It's not even a bad one.
You're so cute. We already went down the bad one.
Oh, we're going back another way.
No, we're not.
I may put this on the TV and make Mama watch the whole thing. I'd love to be able to get her up here for a weekend. I think at the Porsche I could almost do it. We'll have to bring a truck and bring a recliner though. And a generator for the motors in it. For her oxygen machine. She sleeping better? Any better, kids?
Yeah.
Hey, I found my Coke. Look how far it made it.
Oh my god. Where was it?
It's right there. So it made it quite a ways. Good little Coke. I need to get some.
R.I.P. Coke can.
I've got to worry about going too fast and low. Porsches, the already Cayennes had a transfer box like this, but people didn't use them so much they'd seize up. They wouldn't get them serviced because they never used them off-road. My car does not have one, but it's electric. And electric gives you the same kind of torque 4 does. Maybe I'll pay attention here. It's the hill you hated. You said, we're not coming it back out this way, are we?
No, it's not. We've already gone down the one I hated.
Would you like me to find some more?
No.
Oh! I do it every time.
You hit your head again, Thorn? Gillian, shut up.
I'm sorry, Thorn.
Sure brought my helmet.
Being tall is not a bad thing. This will end up teaching him head awareness. I think it's the same growing pains. Honey, we got to pee?
No.
Transfer box. You guys hungry?
Not really. Yeah, a little bit.
You know what you're doing.
Listen, they're hungry and I'm starving. We're going to go get something to eat.
I'm not hungry though.
Then you can just go along for the ride and accompany us.
I'm waiting on Thorn to answer. And if I don't eat, I just have to sit there and watch you eat.
Okay.
Oh, you're that hungry. Hang on.
Okay, sit there and watch me eat.
I got you flowers.
You did. This will be the first flowers you've gotten me in, I'd say a good 15 years or so.
Less than that. I'll let you rose on your car.
That is true. You did do that.
You were bad. That cabin's so ugly.
Yep. There's no lights. I mean, no
Windows.
no windows. Oh, it has windows, but they have shutters over them.
Oh. You see out on Florida houses a lot. They have like these slats that stick out. And they just lower those, protect the windows in bad storms.
Yeah. You got a trail cam up in that tree.
I'd say there's several. I need to get a couple.
Straight down.
Yeah, oh yeah, I want to check out the view over there, baby.
Alrighty.
Here, let me go on the floor.
No, I don't.
Can you imagine rolling this Jeep sideways down that hill? Killing, you don't have to be buckled up.
What?
Storm, buckle up.
Door!
Stop fighting.
Alright, so let's talk about where we're going to go eat at since Brian doesn't have a vote because he's not hungry.
Poor thing.
So let's talk about a couple of things you guys will eat.
Pizza. Pizza.
Thorn will eat anything.
Okay, then we're going to... Killian, pizza's not on the menu, so what else will you eat?
Could go to Hobnob, but my old girlfriend's probably working tonight.
Yeah, you probably don't want to do that.
Really don't know that many
I don't mind.
places in here.
You never met her.
You want to do fats?
Denise, that was it.
Do you want to do fats?
Yeah, that'll work.
Killian,
What?
will you eat at fats?
Never ate there.
They'll eat
All
there.
right, well, there's chicken tenders. You eat those, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, Killian, I'm going to give you a challenge. I really want you to try something different for dinner tonight. Yeah, for real. You're eating like a baby. And let me tell you what, this one did that our whole lives and still eats like that. It makes it very, very difficult when you're with other people